I hope everyone is doing great. So here is simple tutorial how you can send Microsoft Forms upload as an email attachment. Let's say someone submit form with an attachment where they can upload file and you want to receive that file as an email attachment. So here is simple form where there is only one option where user can upload file, and here what you need to do is go into Microsoft Power Automate, My Flows, and then create new flow, automated cloud flow, and from here select when form is submitted. Okay, when a new response is submitted, this one. I am gonna switch to old designer as it's easier for me. So it's up to you. Everything is same, just designer is different. As I am using this first time, so it's creating connection for the Microsoft form. It may take some time. Okay, now it's done. I need to pick the form. My form is test form file upload, this one. Now, after this, I need to get a response detail, this one. And here I will provide name of the form. From drop down, I can select the name, and in response ID, I will provide the trigger response ID. Okay. Now let's test it. For the first run, you need to uh, test it, so make sure it is working correctly. And also we need details from get response details to get files correctly. What you need to do is click test manually, then click on the test. In this way, it will wait for the form to be submitted to start working. You can see it is waiting for the form to be submitted. So let's upload simple file. Okay. Okay, now form is submitted and flow should start working. As you can see here, flow runs successfully, and go into get response details and copy the answer where your file got uploaded. My file got uploaded in this question, so I need to copy this, okay, and then save it somewhere, okay. After this, I'll go into edit mode, click on news tab, and here I will select parse JSON, this one. And here I will, as a content, I provide the question where file is being uploaded, and I click here, and here I will paste the answer of that question. Okay, when I click done, it will create schema like this. Now what we need to do is we need to declare variable here, initialize variable here at the top. Let's say name it attachment, and set its type to array. Okay, now click on the step here, search for append to array variable, and here select your variable name, and in the value what you need to do is put curly braces, then name, and in the name you will put name from the power JSON. Okay, a loop will get created, then put comma and put content bytes here. Okay, for the content bytes, we will need content of the file. So we're gonna use get file content. This one, get file content. Mostly files are in OneDrive, but they might be in SharePoint. You can check it from here. Let's say this is where my files are, and if I copy this until apps and open this link here, as you can see here, it is going into my OneDrive. This means that all my files from the form submission are in the OneDrive. As you can see here, all the files are in here. So with this, you can check it, and based on that, you will use the get file content. If it's in OneDrive, you will use the get file content action of OneDrive, and if it's in SharePoint, you will use the get file content action of SharePoint. Okay, drag this action below this one, and here you will provide ID from the parse JSON. This one. Okay. Now click here, and in content bytes you will add file content. Okay, now it's done. It will generate, it will get the file content of the attachment and add it to variable. Now we got file names and variable and everything. What we need to do is send email. Okay, in send email, click show advanced options. From here you will get attachment name and content. Click on this button, and in attachments put your attachment variable. Okay, now it's done. Let's test it. I'm gonna test it based on the previous form submission, like it gonna use the previous form submission as input, so I don't need to submit form again for testing. Okay, now it's running, and it takes a few seconds to get completed. At the end of the flow, it sent the email, and if I open it here, I received the email with the attachment in it. Okay, this is the attachment that I uploaded on the form. Kindly do let me know in case you have any questions, or there is some misunderstanding, or you don't understand any part. Thank you.